Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today I'll discuss about accident in your horoscope. So the rules. Any connection among 6th, 8th and 12th house or house lot, and any connection of ascendant or ascendant lord with at least one of the 6th or 8th or 12th house or house lord, and affliction of Asini Nakshatra. Here nakshatra affliction means any planet posited or any planet aspects the Ashwini nakshatra. So actually there are three parts in this rule. The first part says that any connection among 6th, 8th and 12th. Second part says ascendant or ascendant lord connection with at least one of the 6th or 8th or 12th house or house lord. And the third part is affliction of Ashwini Nakshatra. So I am showing you some example charts where this rule applies. This is the example one. Now the first part of the rule is any connection among 6th, 8th and 12th house. You can see that Saturn is posited in 12th house. From there, it is aspecting the 6th house. And 8th lord is Jupiter, which is posited in 10th house. And from there, Jupiter is aspecting the 6th house. Now, the 12th lord is Mars, and Mars is posited in 5th house. And from 5th house, it is aspecting the 8th house using its fourth aspect. So the connection among 6, 8, 12 has happened. Now the second part of the rule. Any connection between ascendant and any of the 6, 8 or 12. Here ascendant lord is Venus. Venus is posited in Mars house, that is in Scorpio, and Mars is the lord of 12th house also. Now and and one more thing, uh, the last part, that is affliction of Ashwini Nakshatra. Look at the degree of Saturn. It is posited in Ashwini Nakshatra on second pada. So all three parts of the rules are fulfilled in this chart. This person met an accident, but she anyhow survived with that accident. Now the second example. The first part of the rule is any connection among 6th, 8th and 12th. You can see Jupiter is posited in 12th house. From there, it is aspecting the 6th house and 8th house. And 6th lord is Venus and 8th lord is Moon. You can see Venus and Moon in conjoined in 9th house. And 12th lord is Mars, which is posited in 10th house. From 10th house, it is aspecting the Lagna. with his fourth aspect. So this also fulfills the second part of the rule. And Lagna Lord is Jupiter, and Jupiter posited in 12th and aspecting 6th and 8th. Now the third part. Look at the degree of Ketu. Ketu posited in Ashwini Nakshatra and second pada. So all the parts of the rule are fulfilled. This person also met an severe accident, but somehow he survived from that accident. Now the third example, the first part of the rule, 6th, 8th and 12th connection. So you can see that 12th Lord Sun is posited in second house with 8th Lord Mars, and both are aspecting the 8th house. And 6th Lord Saturn posited in 11th house. From there it is aspecting the 8th house. So first part of the rule is fulfilled. Now the second part, you can see that ascendant Lord is Mercury. He is posited or conjunct with Mars and Sun, who are 12th and 8th Lord. And also 6th Lord Saturn from 11th house is aspecting the ascendant. So second part is also fulfilled. Now check the degree of Ketu. Ketu is posited in Aswini Nakshatra on fourth pada. So all the rules are fulfilled. This person also met an accident, but he did not survive from that accident. Now the fourth and last example, you can see the first part of the rule, 6th, 8th and 12th connection. So you can see that 12th Lord is Saturn, who is posited in second house and aspecting the 8th house. And the 8th Lord is Venus. Venus is posited with Mars and Mercury. So, so Venus, it looks like Venus does not have any connection with 6th and 12th. But you can see that 6th Lord is posited in Venus house, that is in Taurus. So connection among 6th and 8th is fulfilled. Now the Jupiter, which is Lagna Lord, is posited with Saturn, which is 12th Lord, and with Saturn it is aspecting the 6th house and 8th house. So second part is also fulfilled. Now check the degree of Jupiter. Jupiter is posited in Ashwini Nakshatra. Also check the degree of Moon. It is also posited in Ashwini Nakshatra. So all three rules are also fulfilled. And this person also did not survive from the accident. So this is the end of the video. Please apply this rule in your charts and let me know in the comment box. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.